Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I am going to explain what do you mean by replacement cost, how do you integrate with the different vendors to pull this replacement cost for your home. So let's see what do you mean by replacement cost at a high level. It's nothing but cost to rebuild the home at today's prices using similar materials and quality without depreciation. This is very important. So in case of replacement cost, you will get the exact home that you had previous to the loss. There will not be any depreciation in terms of value. That's the benefit of replacement cost. But when you choose replacement cost, always there will be more premium compared to actual cash value. Now, most of the insurance companies, they don't come up or build their own internal replacement cost logic, right? They also already know that there are vendors who have this replacement cost estimator. So all that they do is they integrate with those vendors. So some of the popular vendors are like CoreLogic, Verisic, LexisNexis. We do have many vendors. I'm just listing few here. So they have dedicated replacement cost estimator, which will help them to calculate the replacement cost based on some data attributes. So those data attributes are something that the insurance company will send as a request, like the property address, square footage, year build, etc., etc. So once they send this request elements, right, this is only a subset, there could be more, I'm just giving some example. So once you send this, based on the request, the vendors will calculate the estimated replacement cost and maybe the cost per square feet, and that will help the insurance companies to know what is the approximated estimated replacement cost and then come up with the premium. The core point is replacement cost is used to rebuild the home without any depreciation value, and as I told you, most of the insurance companies, they rely on these major vendors to pull the replacement cost. To pull it, they send the data elements like square footage, number of years, all those stuff, based on which the vendors send the response back to the insurance companies. Thank you for your continuous support. Have a great day. Bye-bye.